Give the judges a few more seconds. They like to judge costume. Okay, judges are ready. Good job, ladies. If you can show your number, ladies and gentlemen. This group of lovely ladies concludes our 13 to 15 Vahine Advance category. We have numbers 93, 94, and the number 180. Give them just a few seconds, please. To allow the judges time to do scoring. For those of you that are just joining us, we are in the preliminary section of our program. Our 13 to 15 Advanced Vahine category just concluded. Judges are scoring.